Hey guys, this is going to be episode 2 of Deadbolt. I'm really excited. Let's get right into it. This game contains topics of death and suicide. Alright, load that. Alright. We went over this last video. Yeah, docs. We need to go over here and choose a gun. We don't have to, but it would be cool to do. I'll see if I can get all of them. And no, dang it! Oh my gosh! All right, I don't even care about shooting this. Alright. I have no patience, so I didn't wait for someone to comment on the video. So, I'm just gonna get a random one. Well, that definitely seems like the best one. Bood. Was that random, like... I don't know. Okay. Alright. Zombie Kings. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, I need it. I think I'd rather have this than the revolver. Oh wow, that was wow. Okay. Die! No! Okay, he died. I was gonna say, if he didn't die. Whew. Yay! Oh, rip. I felt sorry for that guy. Bueno. No, gotta get out of here. Get out of here. Ooh. Okay, that is very scary. Oh wow, I'm burning them. Burn. Oh yeah, it says destroy all ash. Oh, good night. No, don't you come in here. Don't you come in here. Okay. It's kind of scary. Don't come here. I will murder you. Okay, you very much are scaring me right now. Come on. You won't. He shouldn't have. He did. This music though. Rip. Don't come in here. No, bad. Yes! That is so lucky. Just enough bullets to kill him. Okay, and that, and that. Alright, hold on. I can just go right here. I should. Oh yeah, it said the right side had more guns, but harder people. I remember that, yeah. Alright, come on, 5-star. Ooh, 0 deaths. You gotta give me a 5-star on that. Aw, okay, 4-star. Alright. Wait, I have 70 souls. I thought I bought that gun, though. Did I have more than what I thought? I swear this will be the last time. There we go. Where did I kill him? Okay, I can't. Yeah, it says I have 70. Should I just, like, get a mouse gun? Yeah, I'm just gonna go with a mouse gun. I don't like how inaccurate the, no moment to flee, he should not be here. A man with a heart cannot live with me. Shadows cast along the walls, and the flames show me of Puff's death. Okay, this measure first time my employer has given me a specific target and I succumb to thrill. Succumb to thrill. That's weird. Let's go. Oh. Wow. Alright. Oh. Okay. Roland. Oh yeah, Roland. Pick up. Alright. Okay. What is that dude's face though? Not to be rude, but oof. Run it through revolver. As soon as he turns around, as soon as he turns around, as soon as he turns around. What? Oh. Good night. Don't go behind cover. Don't. If you come. Okay. Ooh, I want that Tommy gun. Alright, I'm gonna wait for him to go over there. No! Oh, that was so close. Oh, I got the mouse gun. This is why I got no. Oh, that was so close. Die, 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 die. No, no, no! Dang it. Oh, so close. Oh my. Okay. That's making me mad. You're dead. You're dead. That's better. That's much better. Okay, and then that's how it's supposed to go last round. That's how it's supposed to go. Oh wait, do I burn it? No? Okay. His name is Puff. Okay. That's a pretty cool name. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the lights as soon as he gets way over there. No? Ooh. Okay. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No. Oh my gosh. No. Ah! I ran out of ammo. Oh no. Rip. Come here, you won't. That's what I thought. Ah! Every time he gets way too close. I wish I was better at this game so it didn't look like I was such a big noob. Die. Thank you very much. Thank you. Over here. Up. Boom. Okay. Finally. I'm happy. Can I go through this vent? No. It's through that vent. Okay, I can do this. Oh, never mind. He's just gonna come. I'm aiming on this boy. Oh, I'm aiming on him. Oh, rip. Okay. Let me just turn off this light. Okay. This light. Okay, R. Maybe there's some information here. I pulled the filing cabinet. There's 2 different ones. I'll do stuff. Oh wow, that's a lot. Loose papers, more stuff. Pamphlet, coin, paper, financing, letter, poorly drawn picture of a naked vampire. Okay. Oh, here we go. Labeled important people. Scroll across the top. It's that street. Zombie King's house. Okay. And what's this? And scribbles. Useless. Let go. Oh, I wish I could use this. I've got a pistol. I can't use this. Puff. More like dead. That was really bad. Okay, let's go. I just realized my candle guy's gone now. Okay. Hellhounds from beneath, bred by the undead. Go stop the weeping and gashing of teeth. Until hellhounds are 3-headed dogs with amazing sense of hearing, but they cannot open doors. Okay, that's good. I'll use that to my advantage. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. This guy, okay. Oh yeah, there they are. Oh yeah, let me just go over here. That's a better idea. I should use the mouse gun. No, no, no! Oh, I tried to close the door. Bullcrap. Let me just... This time it'll be better. Bye. Alright, please tell me it doesn't take very much bullets. No? Okay. Do they just keep on doing that? Am I basically trapped? I believe so. This dude's just like, what? No, no, no. Okay, he left. Okay, good. Oh! Wow! Okay, well, looks like we'll just do this. Okay, it takes 2 shots to kill. Rip. Douglas. Okay. 1 bullet left. That's good. I still got a bullet. No, I'm gonna try and shoot through the floor. No, unless he's coming. No? Okay. Let me just do that. No, I don't think it works. Sadly. I probably shouldn't have done that. No? Okay. Okay, these are all connected. Okay. Should I? Ah, oh, it was not worth it. It was not worth it at all. Oh, okay, I shot you twice. Oh, okay. That gun's more powerful, I guess. Okay, that's cool. I can do that, and I'm gonna go behind. Okay, I'll just go like that, and I'll go like right there. See, sometimes it kills them in 2 shots, sometimes it doesn't. It does not make any sense. Good night. Come on, boys. Come on, we can do this. Come on, come on. Okay, alright. Couple more shots in your tum-tum. Oh, right in the back of the head. That was beautiful. Come here, bro. Oh, good night. You want somebody? Yeah? Yeah, you want some? More like you want some death. Since we got. Yeah, I showed him. Alright. Follow the hounds. Rank, come on, come on, come on. Hey, got the 4-star, boys. I meant 5-star. I'm stupid. Alright, next mission. Alright. My candle has searched, but never returned. Oh no. Did he die? The second address is familiar to the fireplace. I'll find what happened. Oh, I'll find what happened to the candle. The zombies have hung up security cameras. Oh, they don't do much, but will scream if it sees me for too long. I'll avoid them or shoot them down. Candles are the eyes and ears of the flames, always observing and bringing information. Okay. Unless they're dead. They can't bring information if they're dead. Oh, whoa, that's a weird face. Alright. What the? I don't know. Oh, the boogeyman? Wait, hold on. Did I get a new pistol? Or is it just for this mission? Oh, what? I guess I got a new pistol. I get guns for free? That's cool. Oh, okay, that's beautiful right there. Get this. Bye. Hold on, how do I restart? Let me restart this mission. No, not quit. Return. Restart mission. Oh, wow, I instantly died. Wow. Okay. Alright. Okay, so you gotta aim up a lot, huh? Like there? Why? Okay, I tried. I failed. You're dead. You're dead. So the cameras are just zombie heads. That's pretty cool. Ooh, that is awesome. Let me just go ahead and... No evidence. No? Okay. Ugh. Got it. Come on, come on. That's what I thought. Oh, you wanna go, huh? You're dead. I love knives in this game. No. Okay, that just made me very mad. Banana. Oh, wait, yeah, I still gotta use it. Beat you in your sleep. Boy. Boy. Is he bullets? Oh, yeah. Bullets still do not go through. That'd be cool, though. Good night. Oh, wait, yeah, I think I can go through the toilets. Yes. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, let me out, let me out. Okay. We're good. Now I can go behind. Oh, wait, no, that door's open. I can't. That's basically suicide if I do. No. Alright, I'm destroying right now. I don't even care. Die. And you. Die, die. And you. Die. This, and that, and that, and that, and that. 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 This, that. Come on, boys. Come at me. I dare you. I triple dog dare you. I quadruple dog dare you. Please. Alright. You're being really annoying, by the way. Do you not hear the screaming? Jeez. Okay. Come at me. You're dead. Come on. Come on. Who else wants some? No, no. That's probably just bad. I think it's annoying as heck. Okay. Over here. Turn that light back off. Run over here, downstairs, because I left my gun down there. Ooh, there's a guy sleeping down there. Oh, I don't even have to kill everybody. All I need is information. Huh? Bye. Aw, rip. Come on, come on, you won't. Because you're dead. You can't. Oh, that was very stressful. Oh no, candle dude, it doesn't look well. The candle is clutching a note. Cold. Where are you? Go 1023 8th NE Highway Avenue. Thanks. Hello everybody. I'll see you later, man. I hate those camera things, they're so annoying. I guess they do their job well, unless they're shot in the face. I got a little money, so that will conclude it for this episode. I got a little money, so here, I might as well just run over here real quick. Yay, yay! Right in your skull. If you want, you can just do some target practice over here. Just yay, 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 yay. Okay, anyways. Any of these guns? Oh, I got 80. Oh, no, I got 16. Dang it. Alright, any of these. I'll try and go slow enough. Any of these you want, tell me. I will get it. Any of them that I can pay for, of course, that I have the money for. Alright, well, that'll do it for this video. Bye. Hold on. It's kind of awkward now, because I gotta quit the game.